Have you ever tried to complete an online course for yourself but didn't succeed? Or do you think it's hard to study for yourself, reading a book? Today, everyone talks about lifelong learning and how important it is that you constantly learn and keep yourself updated. I think it's hard to do that individually. So today, here, we want to try out to learn together by actually constructing board games. So this video is about experiential learning and how you can design a workshop that is full of fun and full of deep learning. Right now, everyone in their small teams are checking in with sharing a memory of their childhood. Because when we design board games, we need to connect with our inner child, right?
I'm such a petty category is serious. But no one heard it.
Now my colleagues eagerly collecting different ideas for board games, kind of topics that are related to what our students could learn. Check it out. Has everyone shared all the ideas? Because now it's time to select one idea. You can do that by using Dotmocracy or whatever. I give you 5 minutes to select what of these ideas you want to go with. Don't think too much, don't compromise too much, right? Don't try to combine all the 12 into one. Right? Make the decision now together and come to the decision in your group. What do you want to spend the rest of the day to build the game?
One of the direction you want to go.
So now my colleagues building worlds around their game ideas. So will it be a Dungeons and Dragons like landscape game with roles, or will it be a kind of a Monopoly or a dice game or different action cards? What will be the roles? What will be the whole fantasy around it? So and people are so excited that I told them take a break, but they not taking a break. They just continue ideating, talking, and are super eager to build their concepts of the game. Thank you.
We had earlier, the three.
And the whole team need to comes together and try to be shape like a giraffe. Yeah.
I think it's gonna be called In the Dark, and it's a hot potato game.
Working title of the game, we're going to call it High Quest, which means Hyper Island Quest. It is a game in general where the players, the physical human players, are actual C-level executives. So whatever, CEO, CFO, CTO, it's your choice. But the point is that they are basically supervising this startup company.
The scenario is that the world has ended, like apocalypse.
And then along the way we'll get challenges, maybe action cards, coming from different topics like kindness or critical thinking or problem solving. So we'll have these things to take into consideration and make decisions on individually, but it will also affect the others.
And either everyone wins and comes to the planet stage 4, or everyone dies in space.
So now my colleagues are supposed to build the first prototype of their game. So they shall use cardboards and pencils and cards and real dice to actually make a prototype they can play and test. That's always an interesting moment, I think, in these kind of workshops, because ideas are great and ideas are plenty, but when it comes to actually bringing down the idea to an actual product, you find out about the flaws of your idea, and you need to find out about the mechanics. And also it's sometimes hard to get started because the idea seems great, but when you make something with your hands in a physical way, it feels just a bit improvised, poor, hard to actually come over the threshold to actually take the scissor, take the cardboard and make stuff. So that's an interesting moment, and let's see how they tackle it. This group there, they were really struggling with finding a game mechanic that works, and were very ambitious and a little bit perfectionist. And but during the last half an hour, they discovered a game mechanic, and they're really having fun.
Yes, and upon a six-wheeled taxi, and also crying.
The other day, we did a longer reflection around a number of questions. For example, how the teamwork could have been improved, or how we might incorporate more play and joyful making into our learning designs for students at Hyper Island. After the workshop at home, I watched my 1-year-old daughter while playing. It struck me how much we can learn from children when it comes to trying out things over and over again with curiosity and playfulness. If you want to hold a board game designer workshop yourself, then follow the link below to the website Digital Jobs to be Done, where the founder of Hyper Island, Jonathan Briggs, has shared his design for this workshop. I highly recommend to set aside 2 full days to manage to guide the teams through all moments for prototyping, refinement and reflection. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe.